We're here on a beautiful sunny day in McKinney on this amazing build. This is a rubber roof. This is the Euroshield product imported from Canada. It's a special order, 4 to 6 weeks it took for this thing to come in. So you want to be extremely precise on the measurements and how many square count you got, because there's no going to the warehouse to pick up additional if you need some. So we plan on the safe side and ordered a little bit extra, hopefully, than what we'll need. And we're trying to be very safe with how we're doing our cuts, everything precise measurements. The customer before had a Da Vinci Bellaforte shake style roof, which is on some of the roofs in this area, but we were able to upsell him based on the fact that the rubber roof is probably the one and only hail proof, and I use that term loosely, in the industry. It's known for repelling hail marks and balls up to 4 or 5 inches in diameter. This is likely going to be the last roof that this customer will ever have on this house. So it's a bittersweet experience for us because we'll likely never get to replace his roof again, but we're always looking out the best interest of the homeowner. We were able to upgrade him based on that idea because he had an unfortunate experience just a couple years ago with having to replace an upgraded roof. So we let him know aesthetically, even though it was beautiful, we had something that we might suggest to keep him from having to pay that deductible out every time he needed to make a claim. So we've got a few pallets that we brought out from the factory, the supply house. In total, there was like 17 pallets. We couldn't bring it all out at once because it's a lot of material. We've got a crew working up here. They're doing what they call the dry-in process. So they're taking each section of the roof off at a time and making sure to dry it in, because the unpredictable Texas weather, as we all know, can come and go. And this past week, we've had some rain. So they've gone ahead and installed this rear slope right here, which looks absolutely amazing. Custom fabricated the rakes, the drip edge, the W valley, and we are super excited about this product.
Part of this roof requires some custom metal fabrication. We buy these rolls of metal coil so that we can create drip edge, roof to wall flashings, W valley, and step flashings, and some counter flashings as well. So part of the process with this roof is actually cutting the metal and breaking the metal and bending it to fit the roof coordinates and the roof measurements that we need. This is a sample piece of drip edge that we're installing. So instead of your normal drip edge that's a 90-degree angle, you can see this has several different breaks on it. So the metal starts out in a rolled coil like this. We install it into the metal brake machine, measure the distances, cut it, bend it, and form it so that you have proper uniformed finish around the entire roof. So for example, this set of drip edge goes right onto the eaves so that when water runs off, goes right into there, and then our gutters will be installed behind there. A little extra length instead of your standard 1.5 or 2 inch, just for a more custom approach and a custom finish so that the entire roof as a system functions properly and it looks real nice too.
So the roofing system that our customer has decided to go with is the Euroshield Rundle Slate rubber roof tile. The reason they call it Rundle Slate is because it actually replicates the jagged edges of an actual slate tile. However, it's made of 95% recycled tire. A lot of today's pollution comes from burnt tires, so we're happy to participate in using a product that is eco-friendly. There's different style rubber roofs. This is the thickest, most hefty product on the market right now. It is hail proof. What's really nice about this is that it's not going to experience the wear and tear that a typical composite shingle or other roofing systems would. That it's going to be resilient to your rain, your snow, your hail, your sleet, your hot summers, and your cold winters. The color will maintain, and this is essentially one of the best products that you can go with on the market. If any of you want to learn more about this particular roofing system, we invite you to reach out to us. Crest Exteriors LLC. We're based here locally in Plano, Texas. You call, we'll answer.